Everyone, this is a quick unboxing and overview of the Brother HL-L2370DW laser printer. This is just a printer with network capability, and it does two-sided printing. So and this is black and white. So this is how it comes in the box. Right? So it has wireless capability, duplex printing, 250 sheet capacity, and print from your mobile device through their software. So let's take it out. So once you open, this is what you have. So let's take these out. We have this quick setup guide that provides you the starter toner. That's nice. And let's get the power cord, which is attached to something. This comes out. And this comes out. Now the printer itself is free to come out. I believe the power cord is attached directly. It is. Alright, let's take it out. So we got the toner here, and we got some drivers and warranty information, and ordering genuine Brother toner information. And before you proceed, I think you probably want to take all these little tapes off. Okay. Shipping tapes. Okay, take that off. And you take here, the cord is wrapped. Take that off. The cord is built right in, and that's basically it. So if you look, we got the model number here. We got our buttons here to take the toner, open the toner bay. There's this little opening slot here, which is on both sides. And okay, that's where the toner goes. We have this manual feed here. Okay, I guess if you want to put print letters or whatever on envelope, and this is where our paper goes for adjustments. Okay, that's nice. And let's turn to the back, and we got the power cord here. So this here is where, if it's jams or whatever, where you want to clear, access store there. Now this is where our Ethernet and USB port. Now I'll be most likely be using the Wi-Fi. Okay. Now let's fill this tray up, and take this out. So I guess you could put a legal size and also the standard size. And so I have this put in here, or adjust it both sides. You want to be careful with these tabs. Don't force anything because they are cheap and they will break. I had that happen to me once. So that slides in just like that. Okay, that's nice. This is nice. Alright, let me go ahead and plug this in. And this has a 3. Okay. And it doesn't turn on, so I'm going to turn on the power. You may press and hold then. And there we go. You gotta press and hold. Please wait. No toner. Okay, open the front cover. Okay, so do that. Now the toner comes in this anti-static type looking bag. Let me take it out of the bag. Now here we have the toner and the drum. So I guess this is the protective part, the yellow piece. Let's take that out. And okay. So I'm going to explain something to you guys. This here is the toner. This is where the ink is. This is what you call a drum. This is what I guess imprints it onto the sheet of paper. Some machines like HP have the toner and the drum is built all in one. Brother, on the other hand, it's separate. The drum tend to last longer than the toner. So when you finish with the toner, you know, you can replace. I think it's a nice feature and it saves you on the long run. So this is all in one. That's why I like Brothers, because it is separate. Okay, it's in. Okay, and let's close this up and see what happens. Booting up. And it says it's ready. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install the driver and hopefully set up the network. So I'm going to insert the CD in. When you insert the CD, you'll get this. You know, if it doesn't start, click on auto run, and this comes up. Click here. So click yes. And this comes up, so you're gonna click next. Obviously agree to their terms, and we'll be doing wireless setup. If you're doing wired or USB setup, wired meaning Ethernet cable, or your local USB setup, direct connection to your computer, you want to select USB. Ethernet, I think, will be the easiest method to go. Also USB, but wireless may be a little difficult. With wireless, you will need a USB cable to do the initial setup if you're doing this way. Otherwise, you will have to follow the prompt on the on the printer itself. Click next. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, if you don't have the software installed, when it does the search, nothing will come up. But in my case, I already installed this. I'm showing this for demonstration purpose. As you can see, mine shows up here. But if it doesn't show up, what you have to do is, you see wireless setup here, you're going to click that, and a dialog box should come up. Give it a minute. And this dialog box will come up. It's gonna say, do you have a USB cable? You gotta click yes, and you must have a USB cable. If you don't have a USB cable, you're gonna click down here. It's gonna tell you must configure wireless setting manually on your machine control panel. That process I showed you, it's tedious. This will be the easiest method to go. You're gonna click yes, click next. This comes up. So I temporarily connected the computer cable. This cable is something that you need to get from you probably have from older computer cable, older printer cable, or you had to purchase. Otherwise, the other method is to input the information manually, and that takes a lot of time because you gotta scroll through letter by letter. Okay, mine showed up. Okay, once you enter the password, this comes up. Now I'm supposed to disconnect the USB cable. Now my printer showed up. Alright, next. Registration, user guide. So once you do this, it gives you this. Let's do a firmware update so we can have a Windows. This is ours here. Next. Program updating. So the firmware is updating. When you're finished with installation, you should have 3 icons. Basically, one is for the printer icon, where you can choose file from your computer to print. It doesn't have a scan, even though it's labeled as scan, but you see your ink level, your toner level, and your machine being listed here. And if you click print, you can go and select document or photos of your computer from various parts of your computer. I'm going to close that out. This is for your registration, your various tools that you may or may not need. For example, user guide and so on and so forth. Digital. This is for the software package. You can go ahead and download and use on their website. Receiving data, and printer goes in. Since it's two-sided, it goes in and out. So it prints on one side, then flips off to the other side, and prints on the other side. So this is what you get. So if you're not installed, if you don't have a USB cable like this, right, and to do the installation wirelessly through your computer, what you have to do, you have to come here and make sure the Wi-Fi is on and go through the process. So you want to go general setup, click OK, and go through the different setup. Oh, so yeah, you work through and you find network, click OK, and you want to click WLAN, click OK, and you want to click Setup Wizard, click OK, and searching for, and you want to scroll through and find yours. ASUS, that's mine, right? Click OK, and you want to put the password. So this is where it gets difficult. If you have a long password, you're gonna have to go up and down until you find your letter, and upper or lowercase, and so on and so forth. And you continue, keep continuing, click OK, then you go to the next letter and find. So this is a lot more tedious, but if you have a cable available to set up the wireless, you run the software and connect it, and it'll walk you through like I just did. Otherwise, the best way to go is get a Ethernet cable and set it up that way. That's the other method. So I'd like to thank you for watching this quick unboxing and overview of the Brother HL-L2370DW laser printer, black and white. If you have any questions, please leave in the description. I'll get back in the comment section. I'll get back to you. If you like this video, if it helped you somehow, please rate and subscribe. Thank you very much.